This question consists 4 parts, so I'm going to solve it one by one. So let's take first, which is sin mx. I can use here substitution method. So if I substitute mx equals to t, then m dx will be dt, or dx I can write it dt by m, since m is a constant. So putting the value of mx and dx in the question, it is sin integration of sin mx dx, so it will transform in sin t multiplied by dt by m, or since m is constant, so I can take it out. So sin t dt, integration of sin t is minus cos t, so minus cos t by m. Now I can put the value of t, which is mx, so the answer will be cos mx by m, or since it is indefinite integration, so plus c, the integration constant. Now part 2. In part 2, which is 2x sin x square plus 1, so 2x sin x square plus 1, integration of 2x sin x square plus 1. So since it is difficult to integrate sin x square plus 1, so I can use the substitution method. If I substitute x square plus 1 equals to t, then 2x dx will be dt. So if I put here the sin x square plus 1 will transform in sin t, and 2x dx will dt. So integration of sin t is minus of cos t plus c. So I can put the value of t, which is x square plus 1, so it will be minus of cos x square plus 1 plus c. Now part 3. Part 3 is integration of 10 power 4 root x sec square root x dx equals to root x. So it is difficult to integrate, so I can use here the substitute method. If I substitute root x equals to t, then integration of differentiation of root x will be 1 by 2 root x dx equals to dt. In question I have given, it is given that dx by root x, so I can write dx by root x equals to 2 dt. So substitute root x equals to t in the question. I find that the expression is simplified in 10 power 4x t sec square t dt multiplied by 2. So since it is also difficult to integrate the expression. And from here I can say I see that if I assume tan t equals to u, then derivative of tan t is sec square t dt, which is given in the expression. So here let tan t equals to u. So the derivative of tan t will be sec square t dt equals to du. Now I can replace the value of tan t and sec square t in the expression. So it will be 2 integration u power 4 sec square t dt will be du. So I can find out the integration of u power 4 du. So it will be u power 5 divided by 5 plus c. Now I just replace the value of u, which is 10t. So it will be 10 power 5 t by 5 plus c, and value of t from the assumption root x equals to t, it will be 10 power 5 root x by 5 plus c. So it will be our final answer. Now part 4, we need to find out the integration of sin tan inverse x 1 by x square. So sin tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. So here I can see that if I assume tan inverse x equals to t, then the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, which is given in the expression. So let tan inverse x be t. So the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square dx equals to dt. So by putting the value of t and dt in the question, the question transform will be transformed in sin t dt, and integration of sin t dt is minus of cos t plus c. So just put the value of t in the expression, cos tan inverse x plus c. This is our final answer.